Hey guys, I just dumped this bin off at the dump and a couple of really interesting things fell out of it. So I thought I'd just grab them, bring them back to the workshop and see if they actually go. Yeah! Check it out guys, someone dumped the friggin' generator. Look what else I got guys! Might be a new beer fridge for the workshop, what do you reckon? Let's see if we can get the basket to go, eh? I mean, it might be totally buggered, but who the hell would know? It's only a matter of sticking it on the bench, having a play with it for half an hour. And you never know, I might get a good generator for free. And Pete just loves free stuff. Oh, I said to myself, that's friggin' heavy. Oh. Let's leave the fridge in there for the time being, because I've already got cold beer in the workshop. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? So what have we got? We've got a Power Max Trade Series. I think it's just a cheap generator, guys. XPG 2600 generator. I don't know what the 2600 is. Maybe it's 2600 watt or something. I reckon it's still got gas in it, guys. Look at this. Crazy things people throw away. Half a tank of gas. So according to that, it's 15 litre tank. So we've got, it looks like we've got about 3/4 of a tank of gas. So if we say 10 litres at $3 a litre, that's $30 right there. Let's see what we got, guys. My God, it's heavy. Woohoo! I said to myself. Oh, shitterminder. Probably worth $50 for scrap. Get it past here, guys. It's heavy, man. Woo-hoo-hoo. I've actually been working on a turbo for one of my trucks out there. It's only done about 100,000 Ks. This thing blew its ass off. They don't last like they used to anyway. I don't know, maybe I'm just getting old. Who the hell would know? Anyway, let's get rid of this so I can get the generator up here. I don't know if your workshop's anything like mine. Mine's always a bloody pigsty. I need to find someone who's got a bin company so I can clean it out, eh? Anyway, let's get rid of this. You know where you guys live? Do they chuck out shit like this where you live? Do they throw out generators and double fridges and that sort of shit where you live? Put in the comments below, guys. I'd really be interested. Alright, turbocharger. And I'm dropping fuel all over myself. Shit. Pete. Pete, what are you doing? Give yourself a friggin' heart attack. Holy moly. Oh, I needed that, guys. Wow. Right, so what have we got? We've got one AC outlet, two AC outlets. We've got circuit breaker on and off. It's pretty simple. 11 amp, 230 volts at 2800 watt max, 2500 watt rated. Yes, we've got a little voltmeter here. We've got an oil alert lamp light here. Engine switch on off, that's pretty basic. So I wonder if it's electric start or what. First thing I want to do, guys, is check the bloody oil. Maybe it just seized up because I ran it out of oil. Let's have a look, see. Well, there's a little bit on there. Certainly not full. Actually, I noticed when I got it out of my dumpster, there was a big puddle of oil in there, so maybe a lot of it just leaked out. Well, here's hoping anyway, fingers crossed. So how the hell do you start it then? So there's no start button up here, so therefore it must be a pull start. Aha! The pull start rope's gone. Maybe they went to use it on site, went to pull start it, pulled the bloody cord out, got sick of the whole drama and just chucked it in a bin. So if we undo these 3 bolts here, I think there's supposed to be more in there, so it looks like they might have had trouble with this once before. But hopefully it's not seized. So if we undo these bolts, and I'll see if I can turn it over, and if I can turn it over, we might be able to get the bastard to start. Yeehaw! I wonder if it's seized or not. Put in the comments below, guys, that people throw this sort of stuff out in your country. I think we're quite crazy here in New Zealand. Maybe there's just too much money around, I don't know. They're always moaning that no one's got any money, so bugger if I know. What the hell do I know? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? I said that didn't have as many bolts in as what it should have, but as you can see here, there's threads in these ones here, the 3 that I took out, but there's no threads in the other ones. So maybe they haven't had trouble with it before, who would know? See that there? She's just snapped, I think. I don't know how much rope is left in it. I'll see if I can thread it through. So what we need to do is try and stick it back through this hole. And if we pull it back a little bit, we might be able to get enough. There we go. What the recoil work does, look how short that rope is, guys. But what I really want to know is the bloody thing seized up or not? Let's have a go. Doesn't appear to seize to me. Hear that? We've got compression. Did you hear that compression? It's looking alright so far. So if we turn that on, where's the petrol valve? And we turn that on. And we turn that on. What could possibly go wrong, Pete? Yee-hee-hee-hee. Right, that's not firing, so let's check the spark plug. Ooh. Let's see if we've got a spark. Spark plug looks alright, maybe the gap's a little bit too much. So let's check out the bloody air filter, because I think it was laying on its side. It might be full of oil or something. And I can also see where the bloody choke is, because I'm not sure where the choke's on and where it's off. Oh yuck, look at this, guys, it's covered in oil. Yuckamundo. The thing was laying on its side in the bin. Look at that oil in there, guys. Might have a bit of oil in the cylinder head, I think. And where's the choke? Looks like the choke is off. We slide them over, on. At least I know where the hell we are now. Choke off, choke on. Right, let's try and crank it over with the choke on, see if we can get any gas when the spark plug's still out. Let's give it a little bit of gas, eh? I'll stick some gas on the end of the plug. Don't do this at home, guys. Bit of gas on there, guys. Screw them back in. Don't know if this is going to make any difference or not. It might just help it get a bit of a friggin' head start, you know. But who would know? I'll just do it in here finger tight, guys. See if it's going to fire. Plug lead back on. So if I take the choke off, will it go? Nope. I think we've got a gas problem here somewhere. Let's have a look, see if we've got any gas coming out of the bloody tank. Maybe the tank's blocked up. As you can see, guys, the right tools for the right job, eh? It smells a bit weak though. I don't know. Gas mixed with water or what it is. Don't advise you to do this at home. Yep, it's gas. Now, if we put that back on there, we know we've got gas coming out of there. Let's say we just try and choke it to get it to go. Maybe, baby, maybe not. Definitely got a juice problem here, guys. I wonder if we've got an airlock in the fuel bowl. If I undo the fuel bowl, let's see what comes out. I was draining this fuel out of here, guys, and it looked pretty damn watery in the bottom of it. I'm draining the fuel out of this, guys. It looks pretty damn watery in the bottom of it, so we'll have a go. So you never know. Definitely wants to go, my friends. Definitely wants to go. So I'll choke it again. Getting better, I think, guys. Spoke too soon, Pete. Yeah, well. We're so close. So what I've actually done, guys, is I've turned the fuel off. I've taken the fuel line off, and I've got this little dishwashing bottle here. I'll put some fresh gas in it and screw it on and see if that makes any difference. There's about 10 litres of gas in here, and if it's not buggered, I want to keep it. So we'll try with this. Well, that theory didn't work. I think when it was laying on its side in the skip, all that oil went into the cylinder head, and now it's just blowing it all out. I'm so excited! See if we can get it going again. Or was that just a fluke? Still got a little few carburetor troubles there. What I did is I pulled the carby off, I blew it out with air. We must still have a block jet there somewhere, but it's looking good, guys. It's looking good. I've put the air cleaner back in. I've adjusted the choke, put the air cleaner back in. Let's see if it fires up. Alright, we've still got to do choke, I think. Doesn't that sound awesome? Yeehaw! Plug 'em in. Yeehaw! Woohoo! Well, there you go, guys. One free generator from the dump. It still needs to be tuned a little bit. I think I need to pull that carby to bits again, and there must be something still stuck in there. But as you can see, it runs. It's got a little bit of a mist, but it's generating power and it's free. I deserve a beer after that. This has taken me about 3.5 hours, guys. Anyway, put in the comments below if you know why it's still missing a little bit. And we'll see you next time, eh? Bye.